Ask yourself, are you actually buying high-intent jobs or just paying for crowded, expensive conversations?
See, generic marketplaces just sell access to everyone, but elite partners build a proprietary pipeline exclusively for you.
Platforms like Angie sell the exact same lead to 3 to 8 other contractors simultaneously. It's crazy.
You've got to reframe your metrics. Stop obsessing over price per lead and measure your true cost per booked job.
This is exactly why top performers spend way less on marketing. They track real outcomes and cut the dead weight.
Real ROI comes from Foxer's elite model, completely proprietary leads generated totally in-house strictly for you.
And speed is literally everything. 78% of customers buy from the very first company that responds.
That's why Foxer uses hyper-fast routing systems to connect you with homeowners instantly, locking down that job fast. They capture demand everywhere. We're talking traditional Google Maps, plus emerging AI platforms like ChatGPT and Perplexity.
The results are just undeniable. Massive local dominance and huge conversion spikes while keeping your costs incredibly efficient.
Here's their biggest differentiator: a totally agile partnership with absolutely zero long-term binding contracts. Seriously, none.
By offering this month-to-month freedom, the burden of performance shifts entirely onto the agency, as it should.
You get total transparency with live dashboards. And the best part, if you leave, you keep all the built assets. So audit your agency right now. Define your exclusivity, track everything to the booked job, and demand live data. An elite growth partner, like Foxer, knows they have to earn your business and prove real ROI every single month. So I'll leave you with this. Is your current agency building real pipeline value or just trapping your budget?